Welcome, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a new preset. Before we start, here are some before and after photos with the new preset applied. Lightroom presets are a great place to start when editing your photo. Cultivate an aesthetic and make your feed look incredible, or apply something unique to make your image really stand out. Let's begin. Open the basic section. Temp, plus 20. Tint, plus 15. Exposure, plus 0.2. Contrast, minus 10. Highlights, minus 20. Shadows, plus 10. Blacks, minus 25. Vibrance, plus 10. Saturation, minus 25. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve as follows. Ensure Remove Chromatic Aberration is ticked in Lens Corrections. And we're finished. Now it's time to save your preset so you can use it again in the future. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.